Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I'll teach you what is Tkinter. So what is Tkinter? Tkinter is library of Python. It allows the developers to create Windows buttons, variables, text boxes, and many other GUI elements easily. Tkinter is included most Python installations, so you don't need to install it separately. Tkinter is a Python webkit for the TCL and TK toolkit, which is a powerful and flexible cross-platform GUI system. It was on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Why do you select Tkinter? Free and built-in, so no extra installation needed, cause it comes with Python and suitable for small to medium UI applications and also suitable for beginners. So let's go the tutorial of Tkinter. Let's create a new file named Tkinter tutorial to Python. First of all, we have to import the library that of Tkinter, like import Tkinter as tk. So if you're not create in video, window, sorry, red. We're gonna do like red equals tk dot tk, and it creates a window. But look, it does not loops the window, so it closes immediately. If you want to loop this window, you're gonna do it like that. Red dot main loop. So look, it's very nice now. Also, it's so small, right? You want to resize it absolutely. So let's do that. Red dot geometry 500 to 500. Oh, look, nice. You see the text that red TK? You want to change this? Alright, I'm with the you'll text here, red dot title my first take enter window int as a pass here. Alright, so also if you wanna change the background of a window, you will do right config background equals blue, and boom, it's all good. So we finish it, the main of the window. Now moving to label. So before creating a label, you have to create a variable that named label or something else, whatever you want. Look, label equals tk dot label and red comma text equals hello world, and background color equals yellow, and foreground color equals let's say white, not red, and let's set the font. Set the font equals to impact and 20. And we have to pack the label. So it's gonna nice. Okay. Also, if you wanna coordinate this label easily, instead of pack, you will use that label dot place x equals 250 equals 100. So that's this. See, nice. It's okay. I'm finish the labels. Now I'm going to button. You have to create a variable that name button or something else. Like same with label. Button equals tk dot button. Right, comma text equals click main to close the window. Command equals red dot destroy. That's the command. When you press the button, this command works. So let's pack the button and see if it works. I'm clicking it. Nice. Okay. Now, if we're finished the button, I'm moving to input boxes now. So let's create a variable named entry and equals to tk dot entry right comma not need a comma set font equals in part comma 20 right alright entry dot pack. Let's see if it works. Here you go. Let's do something with this entry. So I'm creating a label now. Label equals tk dot label right text equals any label that pack. Before I'm doing that, I want to say what I'm doing. First, you will enter something to entry int. I'll create a variable soon that named button, and you're gonna click the button int button commands the what did you enter to entry prints to label. So button prints what you enter in entry to label. I don't think uh oh shit. Okay. Let's make a variable that name button. Take it up button. Red text equals click main command equals show text input right button dot pack. So let's create a function that named show input diff show input label that config yeah okay let's test. I'm creating something here now. My name is Shaq. Clicking to that minus j. Go. Nice. Now I'm also finish the button tutorial. Now we are moving to the radio buttons. That's gonna be crazy. Let's delete all of them. Now we have to create that variable that name choice equals to tk string the string holds and value for strings. And let's create a two ready buttons. Tk dot radio button right text equals option one. Yeah, variable equals choice value equals option one. Yeah, comment equals let's put it by comment equals show choice and one more right button. Go ahead. That's the option two. Option two. Let's create a label. Label equals take a dot label right text equals now and oh yeah, let's create all function if show choice label a config text equals f you selected from choice dot get. Let's test it out. I'm selected option 2. Yeah, that's true. Now select option 1, option 1, option 2, option 1, option 2, option 1, option 2, option 1, option 2. All good. Nice. So we also finished that means register code. So and we imported an library named TK. That's the window and that's the size of a window. That's the background of all window and that's the title of all window. That's the function why we created because to see which option that the user selected. And this is the value holder string value. And now those all is variables. That's the loop window code. And I'm moving lastly to check buttons. Now delete all of them and let's create two variables. Variable one equals tk dot int var and variable two tk dot int var. So I'm gonna create two check buttons tk dot check button but text equals option A in variable equals 1, comma, command equals to show selected dot path. Just copy this and paste into here. Now we also have to create label into here, same as ready buttons. The check buttons is very similar to ready buttons. Red text equals none text dot pack out label num tag. So let's create our function named show selected div show selected, and let's create a variable named result equals nothing here. If variable one dot get equals x1, yeah, result plus equals, yeah, and let's do it nice, yeah. Let's test them. Oh, sorry. So, so sorry. Option A selected. Option B selected. Option B selected. Nothing selected. Option A selected. Nothing selected. Option B selected. Right. That's the finish of the video, guys. Right. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.